Hey, and welcome to the third video tutorial for CoverStore content. In this video we're going to continue setting up the social sharing, and in this video we're going to create all the lovely Twitter keys and tokens that you need to integrate Twitter with the plugin. Now, as I said in the previous video, the social sharing here is completely optional, but highly recommended. When you enter your Facebook and Twitter details, the plugin can automatically post to your Facebook wall and Twitter account whenever it posts a product to your store, and thus bring in traffic and sales on autopilot. You don't have to set up both Facebook and Twitter. You can set up one or the other, or you can set up both. We already set up Facebook in the last one, so in this one we're going to go set up Twitter. And you need to go to this link here, dev.twitter.com/apps to set up. And that will land you at a page that looks like this, and then you just sign into this with your normal Twitter login, which, if I remember correctly, would be this. So this is just your normal Twitter login and password. And I just seem to have forgotten my password, so let's try something else. That seems to work. Better set it to remember the password, because obviously I can't. But now you're into the app section of dev.twitter, and you need to click this button here to create a new application. And then you give your application a name, and this would typically be the name of your affiliate store. So in our case here, this is why I'm Smexy. And then you give your your app a description, and that could be the tagline of your blog, your affiliate store. We'll just do something random here: women's clothing and makeup. That will do us fine. And then the website, which is thisiswhimsmexy.com. I'll just copy from there and put it in here. The callback URL you just leave blank, you don't need it. So you enter in the name of the application, a description, so this would be your blog title, blog tagline, and your blog URL. You leave this callback URL empty, and then you click on yes, I agree to the terms here, which obviously nobody reads anyway, but you can if you want to. And then finally we have another CAPTCHA. I just love these things. And 1562 I think it says, and then you click on create your Twitter application. And that's it, we're almost done. What you need to do here, we're on the details tab here, you need to go into the settings tab, and then you need to go down here and make your application type read and write, and then click on update. And then you can go back to details, and now we have everything we need here. So the first thing it asks for in the plugin is the consumer key, which you have here. So you copy that and paste over the consumer key. Then it asks for the consumer secret, which should be right below it here. So you copy that over here. Then it asks for the access token, and you go down here and say your access token, and you need to click the button to create access token. And then it has created the access token and access token secret down here. So first we copy the access token, put it in there, and then finally the access token secret, which we will copy here and put in here. So that's it. Now we just go down and click on update settings. And now we're integrated with Twitter as well as Facebook. So now we can have the CoverStore content plugin auto post both to the Facebook wall and to your Twitter account whenever a new product is added to your store via the plugin. So that's it for the social sharing videos, Facebook and Twitter, and I'll see you in the next video.